Have you ever noticed something strange? You understand English. You can listen, you can read, but when it's your turn to speak, your mind goes blank. The sentence is somewhere inside you, but it doesn't come out fast enough. And that 1 second of silence, it kills your confidence. If this feels familiar, stay with me. Not after translating in your head, fast, natural, automatic. Welcome back to English Speaking Way 2. I'm Sarah, and today we are fixing one of the biggest problems English learners face. And if you stay till the end, you'll understand why some learners improve in 1 year and some stay stuck for 10. Why sentence speed is everything. Speaking English is not about knowing big vocabulary. It's about connecting small words quickly. Think about it like this. Speaking is not knowledge. Speaking is reaction. When someone asks you a question, you don't have time to search your brain like Google. You need ready-made structures. Most learners know many words, but they don't know how to combine them fast. That's the real issue. And today, we start fixing it. Step 1. Train your brain to think small. Here is where most people go wrong. They try to sound impressive. Long sentences, complex grammar, fancy vocabulary, and then they freeze. Instead, we simplify. Start with short structures. I like coffee. She goes to school. We play football. Simple. Now your brain feels safe. Once that feels easy, you add small details. I like coffee in the morning. She goes to school every day. We play football on Sundays. See what happened? We didn't jump to complexity. We built confidence first. Fluency grows from simplicity. Remember that. Step 2. Use ready-made sentence patterns. Here's something powerful. English is not random. It has patterns. And when your brain memorizes patterns, you don't create sentences from zero every time. You reuse structures. Let me show you. Pattern 1. Subject plus verb plus object. I eat an apple. She reads a book. Pattern 2. Subject plus verb plus adjective. The sky is blue. This food is delicious. Pattern 3. Subject plus verb plus preposition plus noun. He goes to the park. We sit on the chair. When you practice patterns daily, your brain stops translating. It starts reacting. And that is when speaking becomes fast. But we are not done yet, because there is one technique that changes everything. Step 3. Shadowing, the speed builder. If you want speed, you must train speed. Shadowing is simple but powerful. You listen, and you repeat immediately. No pause, no translation. You copy rhythm, you copy tone, you copy speed. At first, it feels difficult. Good, that means your brain is stretching. And when your brain stretches, it grows. But here's the important part. Most people do shadowing the wrong way. And that mistake slows their progress without them realizing it. Now, let's fix shadowing properly. Most learners repeat once and stop. That's not training, that's casual listening. Here's how you actually build speed. Listen, I am going to the store. Now repeat immediately. I am going to the store. Good. Now again, but slightly faster. Again. Again. Speed builds when repetition removes fear. Do this daily, not once a week, daily. And I promise you, your mouth will start moving before your brain even doubts you. And don't skip this part of the video, because the next techniques connect directly with this. If you miss one step, the system breaks. Step 4. Question-answer speed training. If you want fast English, you need fast reactions. So train like this. Question: what do you do in the morning? Answer immediately. I wake up and drink coffee. No thinking. Next: where do you live? I live in New York. Again, what do you eat for dinner? I eat rice and vegetables. This exercise removes hesitation because in real conversation, people don't give you 10 seconds to prepare. They ask, you answer. That's it. Step 5. The 1-minute timer challenge. Now this one is powerful. Set a timer for 1 minute. Pick one word. Let's say, dog. Now speak non-stop. The dog is running. My dog is small. I saw a dog yesterday. Dogs are friendly animals. A dog is barking outside. Don't stop, even if sentences are simple. This forces your brain to move quickly, and when your brain moves quickly, fluency grows. Most learners avoid pressure, but small pressure builds speed. Step 6. Use ready-made phrases. If you want fast English, you must stop creating everything from zero. Use common phrases. I think that, I don't know, can you help me? I believe that, in my opinion. When these phrases become automatic, half your sentence is already ready. That saves time and confidence. Step 7. Describe what you see. Look around right now. What do you see? A window? A phone? A chair? Say it in English. The sky is blue. A man is walking on the street. I see a red car. This trains your brain to react to reality in English, not translation, reaction. That's the difference. Step 8. Stop translating. This one is big. Most learners don't speak slowly because of grammar. They speak slowly because they translate. If you see a cat, don't think the word in your language first. Just think, cat. Direct connection. Try this. I am hungry. The weather is nice today. She is my friend. Say it without thinking in your native language. The more direct your English thinking becomes, the faster your speech becomes. Step 9. Storytelling speed practice. Now this is where fluency really grows. Tell small stories. Yesterday I woke up early. I made breakfast. Then I went to work. Simple. Now expand. Yesterday I woke up early because I had a meeting. I made coffee and toast. Then I took a bus to work. See what happened? Same idea. More detail. Still simple structure. Storytelling connects sentences naturally, and real conversation is basically storytelling. But here's something important. There is one final mistake that secretly slows down most learners, even if they follow all these steps. And if you don't fix it, your progress will stay limited. So don't skip the next part, because that final step is what separates slow speakers from confident ones. Now, here's something important. Practicing alone is good, but practicing with real people? That changes everything, because when you speak with someone, you feel pressure, you feel nervous, you feel real conversation, and that is exactly what you need. So if you want to improve faster, don't stay alone forever. Find people, practice, make mistakes publicly. If we have a Telegram group, join it. Talk, chat, send voice messages. Real growth happens in real conversations. Now it's your turn. Don't just watch this video and move on. Try at least one technique today, just one. Timer method, shadowing, storytelling, and then tell me in the comments which technique felt powerful for you. Because when you write it down, you commit to it, and commitment builds discipline. Now, let's pause for a second. What did we learn today? Today was not about grammar rules. It was about speed. You learned how to build simple sentences first, how to use ready-made sentence patterns, how shadowing increases reaction speed, how question-answer training removes hesitation, how the 1-minute challenge pushes your brain, how common phrases save thinking time, how describing what you see builds natural flow, how to stop translating, how storytelling connects thoughts naturally, and most importantly, you understood that speaking fast is not talent, it is training. Where will this help you in real life? In interviews, in meetings, in travel, in phone calls, in daily small talk. When someone suddenly asks you something, you won't freeze because your brain has practiced speed. That is confidence, and confidence changes opportunities. Better speaking, better communication, better opportunities. It's that simple. And one more honest thing. Don't expect to master this in one watch. No one does. Watch this video again tomorrow, then practice with it. Fluency comes from repetition, not motivation. If this lesson helped you even a little, like this video. Subscribe to English Speaking Way 2.0, turn on the notification bell, and share this video with one friend who also wants to speak English faster, because growth becomes easier when you don't do it alone. I'm Sarah. Keep practicing, keep speaking, and remember, your English is not slow. It's just untrained. Train it. See you in the next lesson.